Welcome back, all of my viewers and subscribers. A day trendy dancehall, and naturally, me I got ask you to subscribe if you're new. You see me? So we could jump in it like this. So for all um returners, you see it? Them know somebody do a video both on Michi and Pablo Don. You see it? And what you know? Pablo Don see it now. Film seen it kind of different, cause him would make a snap. My ear say him is alright. Watch a prayer. Watch a prayer. So I gotta tell about how Pablo Don end up get she involved by you see it, cause a lot of people have it to say him wanna this and him wanna that, and you see me, you have this. Okay, so me explain to you see me. So you have a girl, so she confirm, you see it, so she did a date Pablo back in one of the year them, you see it. So she say in fact he is a scammer. So she get the girl I say. She say when we met he told me he had a business back in Montego Bay where he was from, is it? So him have the habit there from long time for you see me? Have the money a flow. So the girl say yo, he had a habit of flashing money on social media, which I always warned him about, but he didn't listen cause he was on no, he said he has an image to maintain. You know them way the people. You see me? Girl said she started to realize he was a scammer for true when he asked if he could have a business partner send a large sum of money in his name, in her name. So, no, because he got banned. So, it all boils down to where she got suspicious, is it, and just say no. Cause she knows say if it's like she's like if it's not legitimate, she don't want no part of that. You see me? Cause she definitely don't want to get herself involved in a certain thing, if you get me, you see me? So the dog is confirmed as a top scammer and he would have that style for flash money and them the shits there, you see me? So in a sense, but I go say, alright, in a sense, I don't know what him do to anybody, you see me? Because you have some people out there can't swear for people, you see me? So I don't know if him involved in another different, but so what if the dog go and flash for him money, I get say, it's not good for show off certain things, we understand that, you see me? But at the same time, you have to know for role. So I don't understand if, no, I understand, but the thing is that I feel like, say, the reason why him dead basically because him involved in a something, obviously, because you know the scamming thing go. You see me, but the reason why Mishibu was killed now at that, me I go explain now because I get to understand the whole of that. Alright, so where him involved for him end up get that where reach him, you see me? And she, I'm sure you agree, Michi and him with a date, yes, and he was a scammer from Mobile. So him get liquor. Reason being, my ear say some money did missing up, and whosoever and anybody that was involved or related in it get liquor. You see me? So you see how dangerous that is, people. You see me? So right now, me I want you know all who want certain money right now, they better be aware. You see me? It's like them know say this a go on, people. Check your level. You see me? Cause when you check Michi Hottaz Instagram, you see me, it's like she have a link. The Roddy with Rich song, I don't die young, the song there, is it? Yeah, dog. And the nigga did a play one popcorn song related to death too, you see me, for the following day when him with him get gunned down, you see me. Yeah man, but my pray them soul rest in peace, you see me. Yeah man, I saw a thing go, yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah, man, and condolence said we goes out to them family members and them loved ones, you see me? Yeah, man, I did trendy dancehall attack, and if you're not subscribers yet, please do so, because that channel, yeah, it just hot and running, you see me? Yeah, man. And you know, say, me say, be different people, I relate to her death and thing, and it looked like it was a nice girl, you see me? God, no, you see me? Yeah, man, like a nice girl. May her soul rest in peace, Father God, you see me? Michi Hottaz, you see me? Yeah, man. So, you see, Pablo Don now. Me and him share the same last name in a sense. You see me? But say you know, bro God. Big up yourself, said Wayne. You see me? And Jano. I hope your daughter, your young, little young one, them can. You see me? See how them way same way, you see me? Yeah, man. So, at the end of the video, these people do like, subscribe, share to a friend, family, anyone, you see me? Yeah, man, out.